Hello everyone, welcome back to my blog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's bag, we're having late lunch for today. So we're having pancit canton with pancit canton. This is pancit canton with Hawaiian rolls and peanut butter and jelly. Hawaiian rolls with peanut butter and jelly right here. Hawaiian rolls with peanut butter and jelly right here. And we have coconut custard buko pie for dessert. Coconut custard buko pie for dessert right here. And we have mango for dessert also. Fresh mango for dessert. So sweet mango. So let's eat everyone. Make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. It's me again. It's Pinay Vlog. It's time check for today is 5 p.m. in the afternoon here in Maryland, USA. It's late lunch for today. So it's Monday afternoon. It's lunchtime for today. So let's have some pancit canton for lunch. It's spicy pancit canton for lunch. So it's simple and yummy. It's time to eat. So let's eat everyone. Enjoy and God bless. And mega lot shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Shout out to you all. Is 5 p.m. here in Maryland, USA, and the PI is 5 a.m. in the morning over in the Philippines. Is Tuesday morning over there, and here is Monday afternoon. Is 5 p.m. here in Maryland, USA. So let's eat, enjoy, and good afternoon somewhere in UK and wherever you are, and the whole world is be safe and love you guys. Is stay safe as always, and love you guys, and thank you for watching, and God bless you all. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, if you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My YouTube channel is Megan Espina Vlog of Maryland. Is mega like shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Shout out to you all, and good vibes only. Love you guys and be safe as always. Thank you for watching, and it's eating time. Lunch time for today is pancit canton is our lunch for today. So let's have some pancit canton. Is means is lo mein, dry noodles. So it's plain dry noodles with mangoes, and of course always have Deer Park water, and we always have some buko pie. It's coconut custard for dessert. That's it, and let's enjoy, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Please don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all, and don't skip ad, and watch the video until the end, and subscribe and like. Thank you so much, and see you again soon. God bless us all, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you and God bless.